episode of American Kids Vids. So you know how we unboxed the Lankybox Box? Like the Lankybox Box? Well, we got some more merch! Woo!
Alright, more merch!
And they came out with back to school merch.
And it is almost back to school time.
And they have like school supplies, hoodies, t-shirts. I got like all of it.
Yep.
And two things came today. Guess what came today, guys? The backpack!
Yeah, the back to school backpack.
Yes, I really wanted this backpack because I have a Chromebook, and there's a whole other like area. Can you see this, guys? There's a whole other area in here.
Yeah, just for a Chromebook, right?
Yeah, and like for almost any computer or laptop. And then there's another compartment in here to store some of your school supplies in, or some of your folders. And then the big area is here. And this I am just so happy. And they also got pockets on the sides. Ooh, we also have Foxy Boxy.
Look at those straps.
Down.
Those are cool straps.
Ooh, yes. Wow. They have their own tag. I'm never taking off this tag. I am never. Because I'm
cool
so
tag.
excited. Ooh, the other thing that came today was the lunchbox.
Ooh, the Lankybox lunchbox.
This is so cool. The designs on the backpack and the lunchbox are so clean. Because Adam and Justin, they take their time out of their day when filming videos. They try to make the cleanest merch for all of us Lanky famers. This lunchbox is just so durable. It has like a thing inside so it keeps your food cool at all times. Another pocket for like money or something if it's like a day or for school lunch. The designs are so cute. It has Boxy all around it. It's crazy. Ooh, and I actually forgot this little detail. The Lankybox backpack actually has Lankybox on all their zippers.
That's so cool. It's a cute little detail.
I'm so excited to get this.
Yeah, I'm going to be excited to go back to school and wear your backpack and carry your lunch, right?
All the kids in school be like, oh, how did she get that?
They're going to be amazed.
And they're going to be there like, hey, Samantha, how did you get that? I'm like, I got it at LankyboxShop.com.
Thank you, Lankybox. Thank you, Adam. Thank you, Justin. We love your channel.
Yes, we love it. We also subscribe to Lankybox World. Lankybox World are Foxy and Boxy's channel.
Yep. All right. Thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe.
And don't forget again, use star code Lankybox when buying Robux. Bye, guys.
Bye.